got a question.
I've got a question.
I've got a question.
What's your question?
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 Who am I without the weave? Who am I without Upetra? Upetra, what is it in English? No, I don't want to reduce it. No, lady, straight up. Lady. I don't want to reduce this question to the placer thing because the Lema placer is not new. I mean, I know that we sometimes go for guys because Uri, Kitokreya, so who am I without the weave? Who am I without the pouch? Who am I without the lights? Who am I without the eyebrows? Who am I when I'm naked? Who am I when I'm alone? Who am I? Who am I? Who am I without sex? Who am I without the I love you SMS? Who am I without the dates? Who am I without being shellaed? So you better guess his name. Who am I? Who are you? Wait, is there a you without all of this?
Yeah.